Alright, so I've never been a fan of silent switches, mostly because usually when you get a silent switch, they're not really silent, they just kind of sound mushy, and that's not a desired sound by me, so I usually stay away from them and I don't use them. Well, the switches I've been using a lot lately in my videos, these Wuche Studio switches, they have some silent ones. We have some tactiles and some linears. Now, I'm really excited to try these out. I've been really loving these switches, like I've already said. Want to know if these would be good or not? Here we go. Alright, let's see this. Dude, you know what? That ain't half bad. I don't know about the tactile silent ones, but the linear ones, dude, those are pretty quiet. Let me know what you think.